Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing? Hope everybody is safe and well. And I am here just with to do a little project share of what I completed, what I'm submitting for Miriam, who is Crafty Butterfly Farris. She's having a 200 subbing contest, and actually she's over her 200, so yay, congratulations Miriam. And she's on her way to 300. But anyway, so the deadline is June the 30th, and this is what I submitted. And I remember from when she submitted her Rolodex to me when I did my black and red and white challenge for my birthday. It's been about a year before last. And anyway, she said that she loves the same colors I did, so I'm like, yay! She loves red and black and white and everything. So I decided to use those colors to make her stuff, and so I will show you what I used. I used 9 different butterfly punches just to punch out her some little ephemera, and then I used this Teresa Collins bow punch as well. Now, her requirement was to make a memory deck, and then you can also do a VR response on YouTube or Instagram. You could also, if you wanted to, for extra points, make her some bows or ATC or different things like that. So you can submit other stuff, but the main thing was she wanted an MD, a memory deck card. I used this butterfly die set because her name is butterfly in it, so I had to throw some butterflies in there. I already showed one of the projects before that I used, but I used this We Remember Keeper candy dispenser, and if you want to see more on that one, I have to link to that one. I've shown this before, the quick hook envelope die, and you'll see what I made with that you've already seen before. And then the delicate bow by Crafty's Companion. I forgot who EB stands for, but they wear her logo out of there. I have no, I can't remember who EB is. I have it in my cheat sheet. I used the little circle swirls out of here from this AliExpress die. And I finally got to use this Templates die gift bowl while we remember Keeper. And I think that's the majority of everything. Dies, wires, and stuff. And again, like I said, I used a whole bunch of punches, which I'm not showing you all those punches because they're already in her box put away. But that little bow punch, I made some little micro bows, and I punched out some extras that she can put together and, you know, mix and match the colors like she wants. So I put them in this, which y'all remember I just posted this, which was part of her stuff. I posted this for the Stuff It collab. And so this is going to go in here, as well as the extra ones that she can, the package of extra ones that she can rearrange whatever color she wants to make it all red or make it black and red or whatever. They're in here, so she has some extra ones. And hopefully this box will not get crushed in shipping. But this is the theme, and that's why I remember in my Stuff It collab video I said, oh, I had this on my table, so that's why I made this box. But I made it with this in mind. I just took a bag and I altered it and put that Crafty Companion die on it, and that was for this, which I forgot to pull out this beautiful die before. I did pull out the envelope one, but you've seen these, so I have made these, and I knew I was going to give that to her, so I'm just sticking that in there. So that'll go to her, and because everything is red, black, and white. So this is my MD that I made for her. Again, very plain and simple, but I like it. It's just saying hello. And so that is what I made, and I forgot to pull out this die. Oh, this is great. It's over here. It's over there somewhere, but anyway, it is I think this is, I'm trying to remember if it was my, what's her name? Heidi Swat one, or if it's my other one. No, it's my other one. I think this is an AliExpress die or somebody. I can't remember who that one's by. But anyway, that is my Index card. And again, I love it. I love the colors because the colors inspire me. So I thought it was very pretty. And I like to make something that I would keep myself. And I like that. And of course, my info is on the back. And then I also just made a little ATC to go along with it. And then I made her a set of 3x3 note cards with the same colors, just rearranged. And you see the butterflies, I just switched up the layering of the butterflies. And you see her low die and put some little bling on the butterflies, and then the AliExpress die in the background. And again, they all matted in the inside on 110 cardstock. And then here's some envelopes. I just stuck some of the extra butterflies and the swirls on the envelopes. All the envelopes also have tape at the top, if you can see that, so they can be sealed. So those are the 2 white ones and 2 black envelopes. And then those are the little note cards, so she can give these away when she's sending something out real quick. She has some cards, and again, they're blank on the inside for her. And then I also made her some of the bows, and I decided to make some larger bows instead of the small ones. Well, I made with the punch, but I didn't use any of my smaller dies. But anyway, and then some other goodies that I will stick in her box for her. So anyway, check her channel. I will have the links to Miriam's channel. Again, that's Crafty Butterfly Farris. She's the same name on Instagram as well. So make sure you check her out and follow her on both Instagram and on the YT. And show us some love and support and tell her I sent you. Alright, so take care. God bless. And I dare you to be creative.